Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott. Today I'm here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon at Guaranty RV Supercenters to show you the fantastic Rockwood Premier folding trailer. This model is called the A122S ESP. We're going to take a quick look at this as an exciting lightweight rig, something a lot of people can use. I love this coach. So first of all, let's just take a look at the compact nature of this. When you're traveling, it's very low profile. It's easy to see over and around. It doesn't require a great big heavy rig. This thing weighs about 2,300 pounds. Easy to pull with almost anything, and it's just perfect for that small space. So you can store it at your home. You can push it around. It's light enough to push around by hand. It's easy to get into goofy little campsites. It's fantastic. Now they've done some cool things here in the front. I mentioned the word at the letter S in the model number. So this has a really nice storage area in it up in front. This is accessible at all times, whether the lid's up or down. That's really nice, and from both sides. They've also added in this special package, this sports package, a roof rack. So now we can put some kayaks or some bikes up on top of this coach. There's a grab handle and some stuff like that on the outside. This is an antenna. It's got a really nice little audio system in it. It's also got a Wi-Fi booster and 4G booster, so you can bring in a signal better to your campsite. Now, the other thing is, a lot of times people don't realize how easy these are to put together. The tent trailers that you're used to over the years, a lot of processes in putting them up and taking them down and folding them up and drying them out and all the stuff you have to do. Well, this is so easy. Just watch this. Now, I usually do this in about 20 seconds. Okay, here you go. Now the nice thing about this is that it doesn't take any big muscles to put up. These walls are very lightweight. They're hinged all around the coach. They're super solid state. There's no cables or pulleys or any mechanisms that make this all work. It's very, very simple because it's solid and it's light. I love the fact that it's got a Dutch door. Now if I wanted to, I could sell snow cones out of here. Come on in and take a look at the interior. So inside you find a small versatile space, and the first thing I want to tell you about these is that they're very comfortable. You know, tent trailers have a lot of insulation problems. They really don't heat up very well. They've got canvas sidewalls, and this is a regular trailer. It's all solid. The roof is solid. It's easy to keep this warm or cool. Believe it or not, there's an air conditioner in here. There's a regular propane furnace, and the air conditioner can also work as an electric heat pump. So we have two sources of heat, and we also have ventilation up here with our big exhaust fan, so we can really clear the air and we can create a breeze in here if we're dry camping and we want to. But as long as I have a shore power connection, I have AC and a heat pump. That's pretty cool. I also have a microwave. I have a 3-way refrigerator. I have a large 3-burner stove. I've got a sink, and this does have hot and cold running water. Believe it or not, this thing has a hot water heater. Most folding trailers don't have a hot water heater at all, so they've really added a lot to this coach. It's a remarkable value. This table area over here is a dining area, and it also can be made into a bed. So this is a rig that really can sleep 4 adults comfortably, and also because of that nice crown shape, this V shape that the body has, it's great in bad weather. Rain just comes right off the top. It's not as noisy smacking into the rig. It's a very cozy trailer. I totally love these things because they're light, they're versatile, they're simple, they're very well made, and you could just do about anything with them year round. They're a magnificent trailer. So this is, again, the Premier A122S ESP package. That gives you the extra big tires and the ground clearance and a few other bells and whistles here. I think you'd really love it. If you'd like to see it in person, or if you have any questions, you can just call and ask for me. My name is Matt Elliott, and my number is 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.